Hi, I'm Gary Medlin, Industrial Director of Sales for Alpha Measurement Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about installing a pH electrode. As many of you in the field have an electrode with a 10, 20, 40-foot cable going back to a transmitter that you have to get a hot work permit, open up the transmitter, take the cables off, pull it through conduit, and then unscrew it out of your pipe, twisting the cable into knots. We have a solution for you that's much, much easier. Our twist lock adapter will go back in the place of where the pH probe came from. You will install it, and at this point, the twist lock adapter accepts a twist lock electrode. You push it in, rotate it, it's in place. Detachable cable installs the same way. Lock it on, you're done. Once you install this cable once, you don't have to go through any of that process again. So to change out your electrode at this point, you simply take off the detachable cable, quarter turn, withdraw the probe. It's in your hand simply that quickly. Thank you for watching.